Hello everyone, welcome to Zepl's how-to video series. In today's video, we are going to customize our environment by using pip and Conda. In general, Conda is a little more general purpose package management system than pip, but today we're going to use both. First, let's look at Conda list. We're going to see what kind of packages are already been pre-installed into our environment. We can also use pip list if that's your preferred way of doing this. Then you'll see that we have a list of packages that's already been installed into our Docker container. So now what we can do is we can use pip install to install a new package into my container. Once the package is successfully installed, I can do conda list again to make sure that the package is there. Now let's use our newly installed library to look at the stock information and return it in a Panda data frame. Let's move on to our next activity. In this activity, we're going to update the version of existing library using Conda. First, let's check out what the current library is. The currently installed version of pandas in Zepl is 0.22.0. We want to update it to a latest version of 0.23.0. By running condas install pandas equals to 0.23.0 is going to upgrade my pandas package to 0.23.0. This is how easy it is. Now let's make sure that we have successfully upgraded pandas to the current version. Thank you for watching. See you next time.